All right, how's everyone doing today? All right, sounds good. So everyone seems pretty awake. It is 3 in the afternoon, so everyone should be awake by now. Although when you're on vacation, it's kind of questionable at this time if you're awake or not. I know it is for me. Before I get started, I want to make sure that everyone is properly trained and ready to do the job that you are all here to do today. Because you all have a job to do. I know it sounds, you're just audience members. No, you have a job. You have a very important job. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to know how to be amazed. Okay? And the way to be amazed is, well, the way to show you're amazed is, okay? So at the count of 3, I want everyone to ooh. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you see something really, really, really wonderful, like something glowing and spectacular and just awesome, what kind of sound would you make? All right, so I want, on the count of 3, everyone, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, one more thing. If you're impressed and you want to show someone that you're impressed with what they did, what do you do? Exactly. Everyone already knows how to clap. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of that together right now. So the oohs, the ahs, and the clap, clap, claps all at the same time. Ready? Can everyone do it? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now everyone outside thinks I did something really cool and I haven't even started yet. Welcome to the Santa Science Show. My name is Ryan. You are stuck here and you have to put up with me for the next 20 minutes. I'll try to make it as fun as possible. Ooh. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some really cool science experiments and relate them to Christmas. Now that might sound a little bit weird. Science equals school, Christmas out of school. Doesn't quite make sense, right? But I'm going to see if I can't convince you guys that there is in fact such a thing as Santa Science. And we're going to start off by lighting up the Christmas tree. We like to call it the chemistry. Anyone ever see the Peanuts Christmas show? Oh, yeah. Does it not look like the tree? Oh, yeah. Okay. Too much green. I'm going to turn the lights down a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a really, really cool chemical reaction. Start things off with something really, really neat and amazing. I have here 2 bottles of, well, a solution called, it's called luminol. And luminol is some very cool stuff. I'm going to take some of solution A and put it into the flask. You might not be able to see what I'm doing right now. It's okay, you're not missing much right now. There's some of solution A. Let's put a little bit more solution A in there. Some people can see the bottles. Solution A is kind of yellowy looking. Now, as soon as I add solution B, everyone see that? And now to light up the tree, just pour it in here, and we have our
chemistry.
Lit chemistry. Wow. Yay! And then it empties out in the bottom. There's the rest of it. And now down at the bottom, where do you guys still see the glow? Yeah. No. Kind of, maybe a little bit. Not really, because this reaction only lasts a few seconds. Watch your eyes. Now this is kind of the same thing that not ladybugs, fireflies will use to glow. They won't use the same chemicals, they use something a little bit different. But they'll use, it's the same kind of idea. Now, what I want to do now is explain one of the oldest questions in the book. How does Santa get down the chimney? How does Santa get down the chimney? No, he doesn't. He jumps down? Well, think about it. If chimney's really small and Santa's really big, I'm going to try to show you. Here's my Santa. Does everyone see my Santa? Santa, 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 Santa. All right. I'm going to take Santa. Now, what do you have a chimney for? What are chimneys good for?
Fireplace.
Well, for a fireplace. And what do you put in a fireplace?
Fire.
Wood. And you light that wood on fire and it heats your house. So there's a lot of heat in chimneys. That's one of the things that Santa uses. So here's my chimney with my fireplace down here. We're going to heat it up because it gets nice and warm in there. This might be a little warmer than your fireplace. It'll be a little bit warmer than your fireplace, so that's okay. That should be good. Santa goes on top, and just like that, Santa in through the chimney. And there you go. See? That's it. It's really that easy. Ooh. Ah. The way Santa gets out is a little more complicated.
Uses the front door.
Right, front door. All right. Now we're done talking about the Christmas trees and what Santa does once we get to our house. We gotta talk about how Santa gets from the North Pole to our house.
Reindeer.
Exactly, reindeer. We're gonna talk about reindeer in a second. The first thing that I want to talk about is reindeer food. What do reindeer eat?
Reindeer food.
Carrots? Well, we give them carrots. But think of something really Christmassy that you would eat during Christmas season. What do you think, bud? What do you think?
Cookies.
I'm not. And it is sugar. What's full of sugar? Candy canes. Exactly. Reindeer before the big flight will eat candy canes. So I've got my simulated reindeer stomach here. Because reindeer need a lot of energy to make all that to make that big trip. I'm going to show you just how much energy there is in a candy cane. I'm only going to use half of one.